This beautiful Cayenne came at the shop today. Had a check engine light, like 17 different codes, running really bad, misfire. We fixed it. It was a high pressure fuel pump. The high pressure fuel pump had short circuit itself internally. Took down the whole circuit that powered the whole bunch of other stuff in this engine. It's all fixed now. It's all fixed except one thing. One thing we cannot figure out what it is, and I'm hoping somebody does. While we're driving, when we try to launch a missile, it's not doing it. Here's a button. Keep pressing it. Fire missile. Nothing. Look. Nothing. It's not launching. I don't know. Maybe one of you guys have seen this before. Hit me up. Let me know, please. I'm stuck with this.